Alright.
Alright, so progress on the chimney.
Yep. And we're gonna run.
What are we doing today?
We're gonna run 2 more foot of tile up here.
Yep.
And these frames here, I'm gonna extend them up about here. Probably do a splice or something. And then I'm gonna put these little plywood temporaries around the top to maintain it. Then I will surround this with not mechanics wire, hardware cloth.
Right.
Okay, I'll surround it, and then we'll put these on our regular, all the way up. And when we get to here, we're going to come in and just go straight up around this.
Right.
Get it away from the building. And
but we're going up. These are 2 foot,
yeah,
so it'll be up
2 foot,
about
right
here. Yep.
And then yesterday we poured all this concrete in here, and it solidified these, made them good and solid, so you can talk to the guys down there.
Yep.
and then it also seals this joint and everything.
Right.
So, but the tricky part today, it's ladders and I don't get along too well. But the tricky part today, once we get all the woodwork up, is to get up high enough to dump them buckets of concrete in. Because I'll tell you what, this about killed me yesterday. About killed Doug mixing the mud. So that's where we're at. That's the program.
Okay.
And that is a modern version. It looks like a Wattle and Daub chimney,
yep.
but it's not.
It's a safe 21st century Wattle and Daub
Yes,
chimney.
it is.
Yep.
Yes, it is. Because you can put a fire in this and not burn the building down.
Yep, that's the goal.
But it will look authentic.
Right.
Which is the goal,
That is the goal.
Get what you want?
Yeah.
Oh, they're heavy. Got it?
Yep.
Got a slower thing here. We're supposed to be able to do. So there you go. That's the most you've ever dumped.
That's the most I've ever spilled.
Right angle?
Yeah.
I wouldn't need too much rubber.
Yeah. That'll get all mixed in pretty well.
Yeah. You wouldn't believe the shit was doing this one down below. Rocks.
I could see some stuff on the surface.
Yeah.
I could tell. No worries though.
Use it as filler,
Right.
Good.
Was that a heavier one?
No, I'm just getting tired, buddy.
Well,
It's been a long day.
reason to be. It's.
I'm not as young as you.
I know. Chimney. Thanks for watching. Please like, please subscribe, or we've got more content.